Don't rip them.
Sup guys?
High definition television.
High definition TV. Back again with another video, another another banger. Got my niggas, KT, Ocean.
Yeah, boy. KT the Sundance kid.
And it's the game of flips. So Nyazi, first two flips loses. So yeah.
Rock, paper, scissors to see who goes first. Alright. 3-way, no homo. 3, 2, 1. Okay.
Last, middle,
first set. So yeah, I'm gonna hit him with something easy because Tiger looks like he's still warming up.
Wait. Go.
I saw that. My bad, man. My bad.
No, you ain't not.
Back tuck. Layout or tuck?
No, just tuck. So is it a tuck or layout?
That's the question.
Yeah.
My back. My choice. Fuck off, man. That's it. Woo! That's it. Nice. Alright, my turn. Oh! Boy. Shelelile, but as you hold on, yeah. Tried it earlier. Second time.
I tried the high.
was a clean front.
Like, bro, I never know the result of my book school. Even when I'm saying that, so.
Yeah, eventually you're gonna feel it. Oh, and he slipped, dog.
Yeah, hey.
Yo, you pulled it out. You pulled it out.
That was a nasty.
Hey,
Yes.
practice makes perfect.
It's a fun twist, dog.
Oh, front twist.
Bro.
Alright, later. L.
Ow. That's bad.
L.
Real that shit.
L.
Was that?
He didn't twist. Which twist Yeah.
Oh, Arabian.
Yeah. Oh.
Okay, how do you do that?
It's not looking good, bro. See the full twist. What? Hey, yo! To the knee, dog. He proposed to the game. But yo, you get though. That was fine. One knee, let's hug. Full twist! This nigga was doing a full twist like this the whole time. FL! I'm calm, I feel right here.
Embon. Embon. You fucking pick him.
Yo! 540, man. Hey. I was not gonna try that, by the way. Ice.
That's dope but weird, bro.
And that looks like a, yeah.
yeah.
That looks like a,
The kick your room.
Yeah.
Like a double spin.
Ew. Ew.
I knew it would kill you. That's why you said this.
Is that, be honest with me, man. Should I try again?
The second kick was here instead of here.
Should I try again? Fuck yo, man, that's it. YouTube, that's fucking it. Please comment and tell me if that was it or not. So, man, I now give it one last try. I'm not flexible, man. Dineni.
Whatever the problem, I flexibility, it's the spin.
Yeah.
The last spin, uba unga spin angifuni. So your leg like
Do it on one side. Listen,
Later.
smoke.
yeah man.
Wait. Yeah.
KT's out.
Imagine, bro.
That's it.
I'm out by technicality though, man. Who does kicks anymore? It's 2025. If a nigga fuck with you, shoot him. Don't kick him.
Bail.
Bail food.
And just combo it more. Gotta do better, Oh!
Mm.
Sick, man. It's fucking cool, dog. Sick, man. And whoa! Hey, the game heating up for real.
I hate you, man. I hate you.
The game
Same
heating
thing.
up for real.
With a twist. 4 letters. One word.
Yes, boy! That's my mom. Hey, yo, Muscle Man, dog. You'll put Muscle Man's face when I say it.
This one it's high five for the friends.
So, cover the lack of flexibility. I thought I wasn't flexible. Yes, sir.
Yes!
Yeah.
What were you saying? What were you saying?
Fucking it!
I told you! I told you! I told you last time, good dog. I told you! I told
Oh,
you!
yeah, that's my nigga. No one else, man. Actually, a lot of people can do that, just not me. A lot of people can do that. Woo! TDR backflip, ne? Maybe
Yini TD island le ga KT.
Yeah.
O thomile why me le spy.
I got my phone there. Oh, what is me? Dog, TDR backflip. Easy shit. Hey, this is a trailer on a high come out. That's. Are you taking it?
Yeah, I don't like that shit. I know. But niggas, y'all have to teach me how to do a backflip since last week. Oh, it's so fast.
KT.
Oh, my bad. You slipped, but you pulled it off. Bro.
Yeah.
Nice one, bro.
Call me if you get lost.
Yeah, of course, man. Oh, why? Why? Where the fuck
He
is the
didn't
head
touch.
going?
Touch.
He didn't.
Didn't touch.
Call me if you get lost.
Almost.
Yes, yes. And then you have to head a dog.
Verder is het chill, sort of freestyle, nee. Backseat vibes. Wait, what's the score so far? FL?
FLF. I'm trying FLI.
Bring the bacon home! You will bring the bacon. So it's like a low five. Nice. Nice, man. Sexy combo. Gainer Arabian to cut wheel side flip. Ne? Yeah. Nice one. Yes, yes! Nice, dog.
Damn it! Yeah.
Nice one, dog. You too. It's actually easy, man. It's easy. Just for these guys, not for you.
Damn it!
I also make beats and tests. Oh, shit. I don't like trap. Yeah, I don't think that. But this is like one of my songs. Yeah. Yo!
Count.
Does it count though?
Count. It's a lead. I'm taking a lead.
What was that?
It's a
540, ne? Wow, like blend it more consistently and then add that one yana twist in here. That one yana twist and everyone is dead.
I'm taking the lead, so no, I need to count.
Say it again, Tom.
Bro, I don't even know what to say.
What? What the fuck was that? I think that was an alien side flip, ne? Like with Galo or twist around and then side flip. Yeah. Hey! Yeah, but with the side flip. So you got it. So you got it. Yeah.
Bill, what's on your my channel? Come at the angle. Guess I will, but by default. Not how I wanted to win, man. Not how I wanted to win.
Game.
Set. Match.
So he wins.
Yeah, he wins.
Win.
I binyard. Angazi in binyard.
Spring.
Thank you. Kabang umlo.
I can't sprain my ankles.
I sprained my ankle, so I can't really do more flips. So he wins. Default Ocean takes it this time. So if you're still here, subscribe, like, comment, share.
Don't forget to flip every day.
Oh my
That was a bail, man.
Oh yeah, let's do back flips on 3, 2, 1 and we out.
Okay, cool.
Alright, so since I was on HDTV, 3, 2, 1, we out.